Alright everyone, back for one last box break of the day. This one's for 2011 Totally Certified. This is the first time we've broke this product. And it is currently 8:38 p.m. on Thursday, April 12th. Here's our buyer list. This is for a group of auctions ending on the 11th. And we'll go ahead and get started here. We've had a lot of great pulls today. Pulled a 1 of 1. Pulled some nice rookies and autos. If you haven't seen the other videos, check them out. Pulled some good stuff. Hope to keep it going with this box here. And I want to thank everybody for bidding, and if you don't already know, I am doing a contest for the first 100 subscribers. They'll get entered into a drawing for a chance at a free box break. You do have to have a YouTube account, or it doesn't give me a name to put in the drawing, and I know where to contact you, so be sure you get that YouTube account or YouTube channel before you subscribe if you don't already have one. Here's our checklist, and here we go. Pull all the packs out and put them back on the top. Gives a nice even surface to go off of. Maybe. There we go, that works. Alright, good luck everybody. Let's see, I haven't pulled this product before, not sure exactly what to expect. We have Andre Johnson for the Texans, Josh Cribbs for the Browns, Blaine Gabbert, Certified Future for the Jaguars, Prime Patch, and that is going to be numbered 10 out of 49. So, Blaine Gabbert, Prime Patch, Wes Welker and Aaron Rodgers. Alright. Reggie Wayne. Alden Smith for the 49ers. Week 5 winner. Rookie and Stars. Colin Kaepernick for the Niners. Blue. And those are numbered 399. This one's number 10 out of 399. I guess the blue ones are the regular ones. And a couple more base cards. Alright. Leon Washington for the Seahawks. Steve Smith for the Panthers. And Stitches and Time, Steelers, Lions, Bengals, Broncos. That's Hines Ward, Noshawn Moreno, AJ Green, and Matthew Stafford. Let's go through these real quick. Drew Brees and Maurice Jones-Drew. And that's numbered 55 out of 150. Alright, so we'll go to the tiebreaker scenario. If anyone owns more of the card than someone else, they'll get it. If there's someone that owns 2 and other 2 people own 1, let me figure this out real quick. Bengals up here. Grab a pen. We have Bengals, Broncos, Steelers, and Lions. And Lions. Alright. So, no one had a majority of it. There's 4 different people that all had it. So then it'll go to the person higher on the tiebreaker order, and that's going to be it's going to go to the Bengals at number 1. I'll verify that that is correct, but looks like it's going to the Bengals. Alright. Matt Ryan, Brandon Lloyd, this is a gold version, that's number 23 out of 25, Brandon Lloyd. Alex Green, Certified Future, and Alex is numbered to 499. Seems a little high. Frank Gore and Darius Hayward-Bay. A couple more packs here. Don't remember exactly. I know we're supposed to get a hit every pack. I'm not sure how many autographs. Hopefully there's at least one more autograph in here. Wes Welker, Fred Jackson, and a Pierre Thomas, Piece of the Game. Pierre Thomas for the Saints. And that is numbered 46 out of 149. Pierre Thomas. LeGarrette Blount and Joseph Adai. One more pack, hoping it's going to be an autograph. Alright. Jermaine Grisham for the Bengals. Matthew Stafford for the Lions. And Redemption, it looks like. Freshman Phenom Signatures Blue, so it is an autograph, number 151. We'll get right back to that. Sidney Rice and Matt Bradshaw. And our checklist. Freshman Phenoms. Blue 151 is going to be Aaron Williams. First one there, Aaron Williams, 151. Signatures blue. Alright, so our hits here, the Aaron Williams Redemption. Trying to remember who he's on. I'll have to look that up and post that in the description. Pierre Thomas, numbered to 149. Alex Green, numbered to 499, I believe. Yeah, 499. Then we have the Stitches in Time quad card here for Hines Ward, Noshawn Moreno, AJ Green, Matthew Stafford. Numbered to 150. And that one went to the Bengals in the tiebreaker order. And the Colin Kaepernick for the 49ers autograph. And the Blaine Gabbert Prime patch, numbered 10 out of 49. Just missed his jersey number by 1. So there we go. Thanks for bidding, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this product, and I'm doing another box break of this. I believe it ends on Sunday. So if you like this one, definitely get in that one too. Thanks for bidding, and be sure to subscribe for a chance at a free box break.